Good day, peeps. We are back in a railway. I heard stories about it, about it's haunted, and it looks very mysterious to me. So please come with me and watch my video, and please comment below and say what you think of this path we are going through. And please like and subscribe, push that notification bell, and watch my video. And don't forget to like it. Okay, peeps, let's look what's here to see. I think it's very mysterious. Looks like this railway is not used a lot. So let's go to this bridge and see what's underneath the bridge and down the bridge. And it's cloudy today again. It's always cloudy here, but it's warm. What do you think? I said it's warm here, but it's cloudy.
It's cloudy. We are expecting thunderstorms anytime soon.
Yeah, tropical storm actually, huh? Right?
Yes. We do not know when it will be here, but they said we have to make ourselves ready.
Yeah, I think it's going to be bad because it's very hot here. Never so hot here. But yeah, we will take it as it is and go through it. Okay. There's a pathway down the hill, huh? Oh, we can't go in there, it's too steep.
That's too steep.
It's too steep. And there's the beach. Interesting fact, this place is very old. This bridge, I don't know when it's made, but you can see it is old. I don't have any history on this place. I tried Google, but didn't find any history. So yeah, it's very difficult to get history if there's none. But I heard that there was people who took their own life here. So anything is possible. I think that's why they say it's haunted. There's some people who took their life here. And some people drowned. I heard of 2 people who drowned here. One in the river, this side, and one in the sea. So yeah, we will never know. Maybe I will capture something on my Netophonic or my other spirit box. But if there's any spirits who want to talk, they can talk in my camera. I will hear you. Very nice scenery. Don't you think? There's some houses there on the hill. Well, everything is green here. Obviously with the damp and everything that's here. It's very, very green here. Always green here. Winter, summer, always. That's why it's so nice here. By the seaside. Like you see. Very nice. Don't know what's there. There's something there. It's look like a balloon of something that's on the treetops. Can you guys see it? It's there. See, do you see it? Sorry for the wind. The wind is blowing a little bit. And obviously this phone is picking up very nicely. And zoom out, there you go. Back to normal. Let's go here. See what's here. There's somebody walking there. Look, people. Look how far down it is. Can you see? You see anything there? Oh, they almost always paint on the wall. Look. Let me go this side. Some people's faces. Oh well. Look, the mouse has what's on there? It's not mouse. Looks like they must keep quiet or something. Look. Hey man, what does that mean? If there's any spirits want to talk, they can talk on this device. I will hear you when you speak. Can any spirits tell me what happened here? Come on, don't be scared. You can tell me. Any spirits want to talk? Or must I walk around? Yeah, what's your name? Come on. Okay guys, this is a ghost tube pops. We're using the app I found on
108.
What's your name?
AI.
Hi. Who am I speaking?
Complete.
Completely what? Please make sense so I can hear you, understand you. What's your name?
Spoke.
Yeah, you can speak. I hear you.
7 or 8.
It is January, yeah.
Oh man.
What happened?
You're a bit. I mean, it.
I'm listening. Come on.
That all. And in the.
Yes. I hear you. Come on.
About. And come. 7 or 8.
Where's my spirit guide? spirit guide, help them get through here. Talk to me. What happened? Come on. I don't know what you're saying. Doesn't sound good. Is there any bad spirits around here? I'm gonna say goodbye if you don't talk to me. You want to say something?
Freezing.
Did somebody die here? Did somebody drown here?
Snacks.
Was it an accident?
Yeah.
How can it be an accident if you drown? Where did you drown? In the sea or the river? River. What happened if it was an accident? I'm listening. Are you sure it's an accident? Were you on a boat? Did somebody take their own life here? I heard somebody did take their own life here. Is it true? When I speak English, I don't understand other languages. Come on. We'll walk this side.
Getting in. And Pete, care.
I'll be careful, yeah? But who drowned here? Who? What's your name?
Tim.
Tim. Tim.
Indoor
Tim. Did Tim drown here? Don't be scared. This device won't bite you. Go tell me your story. What's your name? Tim? How old were you when you drowned here? Or you took your own life? How old were you? Give me a number. Are you scared to talk to me? Don't be scared. This device won't bite you. So it helps me to communicate with you. To hear what your story is, what happened. Yeah, but what? Don't be scared. This piece is off here. Did something happen here?
About the thing.
I'm listening. You can tell me.
You know.
The lady is talking here. What's your name?
Once must.
I must say almost goodbye, do you want to say something else before I say goodbye? Listen, you can't follow us. You can't attach yourself to our devices.
You're just
You just what? You must stay here. You can't come with us. You don't have permission. You have to stay where you are. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Yes or no? Come on. Yes or no? Well, I don't give you permission to follow us. You understand me? You must stay here. You can't attach yourself to us, to our devices. You don't have permission. So I don't give you permission, you can't do that. I'm ending the session now. Bye-bye.
days.
Oh, there's somebody there. Hi. Who are you? Okay. That's interesting. Okay peeps, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe. See you till next time. Bye bye.